Hey, good evening, y'all. Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight with a video I want to do. It's kind of a comparison video. I found some beautiful steaks at Kroger tonight. Gorgeous marbling USDA prime on some of these little strips. And what I want to show y'all is basically what we're going to do here. I'm going to test out some of these are thinner steaks. Come up here, I want to show you something. I want to test out some of my favorite steak rubs. All right, you know, some of my all-time favorites over here on these steaks tonight. We'll flavor them up, let them sit for just a little bit, and we'll try out some of my favorite rubs. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them with some of this duck fat. Okay, it's a great little base layer for the steaks. It's that olive oil. Use this, a lot more flavor. Okay, it's a little duck fat on there, and then we're going to go. Okay, first off, I've got a Sure Shot SIDS. I don't know about that. And we'll just sprinkle our steak with that. Actually, that Sure Shot's not open. I'll get another one. But we'll go with the Tennessee Pirate Rub next. I'll show you. Tennessee Pirate. There's steak rub. Get on there nicely. Alright. You want to get a little taste of it. I'm going to do both sides, but I'll just do one side for y'all on the camera so you can see what we got here. Can't believe that Sure Shot SIDS is. I might have to open this. Hold on. I'm just going to buzz it. Okay. Open this new Sure Shot SIDS here. Then we'll go back and we'll do it. This will be the first one here. Sure Shot SIDS gunpowder seasoning. Absolutely wonderful steak seasoning. All right. So we got that in there. We got our Tennessee Pirate Rub as our next plate. And then we're going to have It's Incredible Rub, Heaven Made Products. All right. Let's see how to get these things open. Okay. Heaven Made Products. It's incredible. There's a little steak here. Beautiful looking steak, by the way. All right. Then St. Elmo's Steakhouse. This is some great stuff from St. Elmo's by the Indianapolis. I believe that's where they're located. Yeah, world famous steakhouse. Okay, Indianapolis, Indiana. Love their stuff. They also have the best cocktail sauce in the world. The shrimp cocktails. But anyway, we'll put that on there. We'll go ahead and get both sides of these. Let them rest for a while, come back to y'all. But I think that's cool, you know, get a good idea of what steak seasoning is best, or which one, you know, I like the best. Hey y'all, Joe back here with Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you with this steak seasoning cook-off here. I'm out here at my PK. It's warm today, so we're blessed here to have this warm day. I mean, it's a little bit cool, but what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get this rolling. I'm going to put some steaks on here. Now the setup I got my PK running, vents full open at the bottom and top. This is what you call a steak bed. It's from an oyster bed company. This is made to cook and serve on. Today I'm just mainly going to use it for cooking on. It works great. It's just a sear plate there, so that's what I'm using. And we're going to get started with these steaks. Y'all look at them, they look lovely, sitting right over here. Hopefully y'all can see that. So we're going to go ahead and start searing these bad boys right over here. Okay, so not putting oil or anything on that right now. This is the Sure Shot SIDS. Is the first one going down. Okay, we'll go ahead with that. I'm going to go a minute or two per side. And this is kind of a thinner steak, so these ought to be just fine with that kind of timing. Alright, so I got a good sear on that bad boy. I'm going to set it off to the side there and just let it just kind of, you know, cook internally a little bit more, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one now. So just for the sear, this will be this is the Tennessee Pirates. Then just get the sear there on both sides. That's what I decided to do. Just this plate's gotten so hot, I'm just gonna sear it on both sides and let it kind of slow cook, so I'm just doing a sear and then cook. I think it'll be the best way to do this, okay? So, should be very good. I mean, this thing gets super, super hot. A little bit more there. I'll tell you what, that's a cool little device there. You know, if you don't have a griddle or something like that, and you get you one of these, you can use it to cook on. Plus, you can serve on it. Now, I'll tell you, one thing. Go ahead and flip it. To clean these, you put it in your oven let the oven turn on clean. If it ever gets, you know, this black stuff on here like this, it'll knock it right off. So that's the way I clean them. But go ahead and get this one cooked like that, and then we'll set on the side. What y'all, next up is the Heaven Made products. It's the incredible rub. There you go. We'll get that one seared off. Be mighty fine. Last but not least, we got the St. Elmo's Steakhouse rub. We'll let that one roll. And we got the others over here resting, right? Alright, I got them all over here. They're not quite done. So what I'm going to do is, alright, now this is the Sure Shot Sid. Set that right there. That is the Tennessee River Pirates. Alright. This is the, it's incredible. And this is the St. Elmo's. I'm going to let them just cook just for a little bit right here with it's closed, okay? Alright, y'all, back here. I'm going to go ahead and try these. Hopefully y'all can see me here. Alright. Now, I'm going to cut them into them with my little Gerber flat iron knife here that I've been using lately. We're going to try the Sure Shot Sids first, alright? We get a little bite right there toward the middle. Great flavor. I mean, Sure Shot Sids always is one of the best in my book. Alright, let's try the Tennessee River Pirates. Make sure I get me a good slice there. Put the seasoning on it. Alright, Tennessee River Pirates. That's good. More of larger pieces of spice. Really kind of hits you in the face. Similar to a Montreal style. Alright, now the Heaven Made products. It's incredible. Alright. Okay, man, that's some flavor right there. Tastes the garlic pop a little bit. All right, now the St. Elmo's Steakhouse, my all-time favorite cocktail sauce there. I tell you, let's go ahead and try St. Elmo's. Get a good little piece of fat on there. Y'all, they were all very good, I have to say. But if I had to choose a winner just from these, just for the single hit taste profile, let me try this one more time. Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm having to try. Let me go back here. I just want to make sure I'm making the right decision. Get plenty of seasoning on here. Because I'm down to about 2 that I think are pretty much tied. It's dang close between Sure Shot Sids and Heaven Made Products. It's incredible rub. But if I had to choose, I had to say that It's Incredible Rub has a slight edge here in this competition. So I declare a winner today of the best steak seasoning so far that I've tried is Heaven Made Products. It's Incredible Rub, y'all. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. Look down in the description box where you can get these rubs, and they're all really good, trust me. But the slight edge is It's Incredible, and the Sure Shot Sid's non-smoked seasoning, but or the gunpowder seasoning, but the Incredible just kind of creeped up front today. So thank y'all so much, and hope you enjoyed the video.